The U.S. Supreme Court has handed President Donald Trump a major defeat, rejecting his effort to limit birthright citizenship for children born in the United States to non-citizen parents. The ruling preserves a constitutional right that has stood for more than a century and marks the second time this year that the nation's highest court has struck down a major Trump policy initiative. Our Seung-jae has more.
The U.S. Supreme Court has rejected President Donald Trump's effort to end birthright citizenship for certain children born in the United States. In a 6-3 ruling on Tuesday, the court upheld lower court decisions blocking Trump's executive order that sought to deny automatic citizenship to babies born in the U.S. if neither parent was an American citizen nor a lawful permanent resident, also known as a green card holder. The decision marks the second major defeat for Trump at the Supreme Court this year, following the court's February ruling striking down his global tariff plan. At the center of the case is the Citizenship Clause of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which states that all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to its jurisdiction are American citizens. The Trump administration argued that the phrase "subject to the jurisdiction thereof" should exclude children born to undocumented immigrants and to parents living in the country temporarily on student or work visas. However, Chief Justice John Roberts said the court saw no reason to depart from more than a century of legal precedent. Roberts pointed to the landmark 1898 Supreme Court case United States v. Wong Kim Ark, which established that children born on American soil are citizens regardless of their parents' nationality, with only narrow exceptions such as children of foreign diplomats. He wrote that there was little evidence supporting what he called the administration's dramatically revisionist interpretation of the Constitution. Legal experts had warned that Trump's order could have affected the status of as many as 250,000 babies born each year, and could have forced millions of families to prove the citizenship status of their children. President Trump brushed aside the defeat, saying he still hopes Congress can pass legislation containing similar provisions, though such a measure faces long odds in the current Congress. The case appeared to be particularly important to Trump. In April, he attended Supreme Court oral arguments on the issue, becoming the first sitting U.S. president ever to personally attend arguments before the nation's highest court. Seung-jae, Arirang News.